Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Maps to your WordPress website. So let's get started. However, if you don't have a free account already, make sure to click the link down in the video description below to get started with a free account. Now, before we begin, make sure that you have the admin control to your WordPress website. Now let's go to Google Maps. So I'm going to embed this location. Now what we're going to do is click share right over here and click on embed a map, and then we are going to copy the HTML code here. Now this is the view that we are going to get in our website. So we are going to go to the dashboard, and from here we're going to go to all pages. Now from all pages, I'm going to select the page where I want to set up that embedded location. So let's go to contact us page and click on edit. So here is our contact us page. Now I'm going to type down something. So as you can see, I've typed down something. Now I'm going to put my embedded location right below here. So we are going to go and click on toggle block inserter. We are going to type down HTML, and we have custom HTML. So we are going to pull and add, insert it here. However, if you're unable to pull this HTML block so flexibly, you're going to have to click on the paragraph right over here, and then you're going to find an option called convert to blocks right over here on the upper panel. You're going to have to go ahead and click on convert to blocks. Then you will be able to flexibly drag your HTML block anywhere. So I have my HTML block here. Now I'm going to paste down what I copied here for the Google Maps. Alright, so now we are going to click on preview just to see how the embedded map will look like. So this is how the embedded map will look like. As you can see, we can zoom in and we can drag out the map just like an embedded map on any other website. So guys, that is how you can add Google Maps to your WordPress website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.